Looking for women yoga clothing for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the Mott 50 Reese Athletic Legging is a must-have for an active lifestyle. The soft, quick-drying UPF 50 fabric makes great leggings for water sports like paddle boarding and on land for yoga, by Mott 50. Number 2, Mott 50 Reese Athletic Pants, Avocado, Small. The soft, quick-drying UPF 50 fabric makes great leggings for swimming and water sports like paddle boarding and jet skiing. Alternatively, wear them to yoga or for a hike. Pair with the Mary J swim shirt for a sophisticated, sun-protected day at the beach, pool or mountains. Another great product by Mott 50. Number 3, Diamond Weave Mesh Fabric allows airflow, keeping you cool. Antimicrobial treatment reduces odor in fabric. Easy care so you only need to for any trip, by ExOfficio. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.